Alright, well I must say that turned out pretty good, and I did it in pretty good time. A couple spots I still need to grind down just a little bit. But yeah, there's going to be a lot of filler that's going to cover all this anyway, so I don't want to take off too much metal because the sheet that's underneath it is, well, pretty thin, so I don't want to do too much sanding on that. Okay, let's jump on the inside. And this actually was the worst side on all 4 sides of the doors. 2 sides here, 2 sides on the other. This one is the one that just had the most rot. So we're going to cut it right again at the tape over here, and then some measurement down the back, run it across, same as before. I think we're turning out good, so we'll just keep right on going. Let's go ahead and start that intro, and right after that, we'll be back to finish up this job. And hopefully we beat this rain. The good thing is the rain has cooled the temperatures down significantly, so whatever it's worth, that's going to speed me up a little bit. Hey, welcome back to DuckmanCycles and VW Garage. I'm your host, the Duckman. We're back today with my 1956 Beetle, also known as Eleanor. Now, when I started pushing everything out of the garage, you can see behind me, we got these blue skies, lovely blue skies. But we look back this way, and everything went to hell. So I don't know how much we're gonna get done today, just the way the weather goes. Actually, that's coming in quite quickly, very, very quickly. But let me show you what we're gonna do today. What we're gonna work on today is the tops of my doors have some rust in them. And it's kind of significant right here. This is just totally bodged up. And I've marked it with tape approximately where I have to cut back to. And you can see this whole area in here is shot. Now let me show you the passenger side. I actually did that side already before I started recording the video as a dry run to see if I could do it and make it look right. Now there's the passenger side. It actually worked out quite well. Now despite this being an early door top, this was actually a later model Beetle top that I used here to graft into it. You might remember that the top of the door had like a point it came to because this was all bent out of shape. So I pushed everything back down. In fact, it still needs to be bent down a little bit more. But I pushed it all back down the way it needs to be. And the door no longer looks like it's sloping so terribly down towards the back because when you push this in, it's level like it's supposed to be. I'm going to talk with Earl on that. I'm having just trouble pushing that down. I'm sure he can do some magic on it. But yeah, this worked out quite well. You can see the holes in the spacing, so that way I can clip in the window scraper. And same on this side. I spaced them out evenly with what you've got here from the stock door top. So anyway, let's see if we can duplicate that on the other side, taking you guys with me on a fantastic ride. And we'll see if we get it done before it starts raining. Doubt it, but let's see how far into it we can get. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, plug that dingle belly for updates. Check out duckshit.net for my website for all my different stuff. Duckshit.net/store for all my different merch if you'd like to buy something, or duckshit.net/CCC for Earl, Classic Car Creations, because he'll be getting to Eleanor soon for paint. That's right. Thanks for watching, everyone. Oh man, that's coming in real quickly. Well, like I said, let's see what we can get done. All right, well, I gotta say that actually turned out quite nice. No more little points that were up here in the middle where I pulled out the quarter window and it bent the crap out of the door. The inside also is nice and straight now. It's gapped a little wide if you look down the channel, but we can squeeze the door and just pinch that in. That's no problem at all. That side worked out nicely. Oops. There we go. Back around the other side over here. Check out what we got over here. This one's just the same. I threw some phosphoric acid on it also. This one, the channel is uniform the whole way down, but again, no high spot in the middle, so this side worked out real nicely too. So I think that just about sums it up on this one. And best of all, we beat that rain. Yeah, it blew up all around us, but no rain actually happened here, but the temperature had to have dropped about, oh, I don't know, 15 degrees or so. It was about 95 degrees, 100% humidity. And now it's more like, you know, mild or low 80s and 60% humidity. But there's Eleanor, and here I am. So don't forget to licky, likey, comment, and subscribe. Pluck that dingle belly so you get updates every time I upload a video. Don't forget to check out duckshit.net for all of my different social media links. And people are still saying it. Hey, Duckman, where you been? We don't see you update. That's because you're not subscribed to my other channels or my Instagram, or check out the Facebook group page. There's so many other places that I contribute. It's not all always on this channel. So please check them all out. The easiest way to get to them, duckshit.net in your favorite browser. Look there, you'll find links to everything. Okay, check out duckshit.net/CCC. Earl's going to be doing the paint on Eleanor coming up soon. He's going to start doing as soon as we get this car delivered. I don't know when I'm leaving yet. I haven't figured that out. Whenever I get a free opportunity with work, I'm going to get the hell out of here as fast as I can. But there's Eleanor. And at this point, now she's officially rust-free. You know, 3 years later, I replaced finally the last few pieces of rust, and I'm happy for that. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it once again. We'll see you next time.